a bicycle race is being planned from Sharm el-Sheikh to Taba, going along the Gulf of Aqaba. The distance of the route is about 220 kilometers. Let's underline this value. So the distance given is 220 kilometers. There's supposed to be rest and water stops. The riders wanted to break up the ride into equal whole kilometer portions and rest and drink water. We're asked which of the following distances would divide the entire ride into equal whole kilometer distances. We're also asked to come with other ways to divide the distance into equal parts. These are the choices. I will give you time to think and choose the correct answer, and we will discuss the answer when we get back. I'm sure many of you are thinking about dividing the race into equal distances that are whole numbers. You have to choose numbers that you can divide by 220. So this is my main number. I have to think which quantities can I divide here without remainders. So can we divide 220 by 10? Of course. Why? Because 210, when you divide it by 10, you don't get any remainder, and the answer will be what? 22. What else? Let's look at the choices. Can I divide this number by 12? Of course not, because we will not be able to have a whole value as our answer. Now let's move to the next part. Can I divide 220 by 20? Yes, of course, you can divide it into 20 equal parts. So I will choose this answer as well. Why? Because when we divide it, we are going to find that these two numbers end in 0 and 22 is divisible by 2. In other words, it's an even number. So you can divide the answer by 2. So again, 22 divided by 20, I will cancel the 0. 22 is an even number, so I can divide it by 2 without any remainder. Now let's look at the next part. Can I divide 220 by 25? Of course not. Why? Because they are not divisible. The last choice, can I divide 220 by 50? Of course not, because when I divide, I will have a remainder. In other words, my quotient or the answer to my division is not a whole number. So these are our two choices.
شوف الحلقة كاملة من خلال تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا مستقبل يبدأ الآن.